Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee, and this week I wanted to bring you something exciting and a little different. I wanted to introduce you to toppers. Toppers are an amazing range of 20 top coats suitable for use over gel polish and nail polish, and these amazing gel toppers can transform your looks underneath. And I just love that they are vegan and cruelty free. These no wipe soak off universal top coats have amazing effects. Stay tuned to see what I mean. I've got 6 different toppers to play with, and the first I'm going to show you is Top Diva, and basically you just apply your usual gel polish, and I will show you how to do it with nail polish at the end, but apply your usual gel polish, just 2 coats, and then go straight in over the top with your topper. This is your new top coat. It's self-leveling, as you can see, and once you're happy with your application, you just pop it under your topper's light or LED light for 30 seconds, which I'll show you in a moment. But what I wanted to do to show you the versatility and the point behind these, I wanted to show you what they look like over different colours. So this is Top Diva, and for every colour I'm going to be taking it over a black, over a very vivid blue, over a lilac, and over a sort of off-white pinky peach colour, and that's just to give you an idea of the product. I do love this one, it's very sort of teal green. And here is your topper's light. I love this light. It is so sort of space age and light and slim and tiny. And it comes with a little USB cable. Just pop it over the nails, press the button, and it gives you a 30-second cure. And that's all you need to cure these. And as you can see, even though there's glitter in them, they are so smooth. Next we have Top Stunner. This is a favourite of mine of the 6, I have to say. I really do like how this transforms. Now over the black you can only really see the silver in this with a little bit of the black sparkle, but when I put this over the other colours you can see how it's a mix of black and silver glitter. They are a very smooth, creamy top coat to apply. If you do get any glitter flakes sticking up, you can just sort of pat them down with a brush and they will self-level. I've put quite a lot on the brush so that I can get a good coating of the gel polish, and if you do get glitter appearing in one place more than the other, for example towards the bottom of the nail, then just turn your brush round and brush up the other way. If you want to add individual glitter flakes, you can literally dab your brush onto the nail where you want them and then just let it settle for a moment before curing. Look how it transforms the different colours. Okay, so next we have Top Talent. This is a gorgeous silver, and it's got a combination of really fine flakes and larger hexagonal flakes in it, so you can see it's really crystally diamondy. I think this probably is one of my favourites because if you imagine, this would go over absolutely any colour. So these products are actually designed to limit the amount of nail polishes or gel polishes that you need to have, because if you had your standard sort of 40 colours and you had these 20 top coats, you've got 800 different combinations there, and that's without layering your colours. Now, if you're wondering what I mean about layering colours and you'd like to see a video on this in the future, then please let me know in the comments section down below. And like always, do remember to remove any of the excess product off the skin around the nails before you cure. Next we've got Top Date, and this is like a gold version of Top Talent, so again it would go over any colour. It just looks beautiful and it is so easy to apply. Again, if you want to distribute the glitter, you can always turn your brush round, or you can just pat it where you want a little bit more. Give it a few moments to settle before curing. You can see how nice and easy this is to apply. It just goes on so smoothly, which is a surprise considering how much glitter is inside. And I'm not actually having to apply it thickly, even though it does look like I have a lot on the brush. I think with Christmas coming especially, it would be absolutely amazing having this. Just imagine when you get that client and they're like, have you got a sort of this but with a bit of sparkle? Or if you just want to extend your nail polish wear, then you can apply this over the top of your nail polish, and I will show you at the end exactly what I mean. Next we have Desire. Now this is a combination of red and gold, and we have those smaller, really fine gold little flakes, almost like a dust, along with that larger, bright, bold red hexagonal flakes. And you can see there's a combination of hexagonal flakes in the red. There are some really large and then some medium. So when you do have these larger flakes, just make sure you pat down any that are sticking up and they will settle into that top coat. Again, you can turn your brush around the other way if you want to be able to distribute those flakes around, and here we have it over that lovely off-white cream effect. And you can see, I bet this would look really good over green actually. Finally, this is probably one of my favourites because look at the hollow sparkle. And on this final colour, I'm applying it over nail polish. That's your usual nail polish base coat, 2 layers of colour coat, and then go straight in with your toppers. This looks so good, and it's actually quite a surprise considering how many times in the past I've tried to use like confetti polishes or the strips or the stripes, whatever you want to call them, and they tend to stick up and cause problems and stick out the sides of the nail, and then it's just like one big hot mess. Well, these really, after a little bit of just patting around where you want them, they just bed down into that top coat and give you the most amazing finish. They look so good, and look at the way they shimmer, those rainbows. They are so pretty. I think this would be a really good one to maybe layer over the top or with some of the other toppers as well. So maybe apply 1 layer of this and 1 layer of something else. But look at the way that captures the light. Love it. Let me know what you think. Just look at the different effects you get using these toppers over the same colours. I love these. They are out now, and I have got a link down in the description for you of 10% off if you wanted to buy them. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link for you guys. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, then hit subscribe to join the channel, and I will see you all very, very soon.